Nobody knew the color of the sky.
You go a little more south, Billy.
A little more south, sir. There's a house of refuge up ahead. Funny they haven't seen us when we're this close.
Funny who hasn't seen us?
The crew.
Houses of refuges don't have crews.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't!
Yeah, they do. Well, a good thing is an onshore wind. If not, where'd we be? Wouldn't have a show.
Right.
Think we'll have much of a show now, boys?
I don't know, Captain.
Did you just see that lighthouse?
Where?
It's exactly in that direction.
Did you make it, Captain?
If this wind holds, otherwise we're just screwed.
I think we're screwed.
Bail it, boy.
All right, Captain.
Faster!
You happy? It would be difficult to describe the subtle brotherhood of men that was here established on the seas. No one said that it was so. No one mentioned it. But it dwelt in the boat, and each man felt it warm him. They were a captain, an oiler, a cook, and a correspondent. And they were friends. Friends in a more curiously ironbound degree than may be common.
I wish we had a sail, boys. I might give y'all my overcoat so we can get some rest.
She's everybody cause she ain't musty nachos. First come, first serve, count the nachos. Told you we ain't gonna stay.
See how this works. Okay, I think we're about opposite of New Smyrna. Oh, and by the way, Captain, I think they abandoned that life-saving station about a year ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
There's the house of refuge over there.
Take it easy now, boys. If we run ashore, you'll need all your strength for swimming.
That's the house of refuge for sure. Maybe they'll come out and help us.
Cook, there don't seem to be much life about that house of refuge you keep talking about.
Funny you don't see us.
Well, boys, I guess we'll have to make a try for sure. If we stay out here much longer, we'll all be dead. I suppose if we fellows don't all make it, you'll know where to send news of my death.
If I'm going to be drowned, if I'm going to be drowned, if I'm going to be drowned, why in the name of the 7 mad gods who rule the sea was I allowed to come thus far and contemplate sand and trees? Was I brought here merely to have my nose dragged away as I was about to nibble the sacred cheese of life? Boys, she won't last 3 minutes if we keep going this way. Should I take her back out to sea?
Yes, now.
All right. Well, anyhow, they must have seen us from the shore by now. What do y'all think about those life-saving people? And they peaches?
Why they haven't seen us?
Maybe they think we're out for sport. Maybe they think we're fishing.
Or they could think we're just damn fools. Hey, is that a man on shore?
Yeah, I think there's 2. Is that a flag he's waving?
No, I think that's just a coat. He must like waving that coat. Look at him wave. I'd like to punch the chunk who's waving that flag.
Why? What do you do?
Oh, nothing, but he sure does seem so damn cheerful.
The voyagers scanned the shore. A conference was held in the boat.
Well, boys, if no help is coming, we might as well try to run to shore ourselves. If we don't, we'll get too weak and we won't have any chance of getting in. Boys, she's gonna swamp for sure. All we can do is get her in as far as possible, and when she swamps, jump out and try to get to shore.
Oh, Jack! I love you, Rose.
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.
Yeah, you got it.
That's beautiful.
Here,
Now
guys.
that sounds in. Now that sound of your voice.
Concentrate. Alright, so the cook says, bully, good thing you sit on. Man, stop. You're freaking me out.
Like how you feel, getting figures, keep it triller. She rolling switches, bought her chickens. I put my nigga getting bent up off the liquor. She love my licorice, I let her lick it. They say money, make act figure-ish. At least hell figure-ish.
Alright, like
Alright.
I'm sailing away, set an open course for the virgin sea.